Hi there, students. Caboodle. Normally in the phrase the whole caboodle or the whole kit and caboodle. Okay, this is an informal American phrase meaning everything. Everything that is connected to it. So he gave me all of his camera equipment, the whole caboodle, all of the cameras, the lenses, the stands, the lighting, all of the things that he had. So he gave me the whole caboodle. He gave me the whole kit and caboodle. Yes, I enjoy learning languages. I enjoy the whole caboodle. The grammar, the new vocabulary, exercises, trying to speak it, practicing and meeting new people. I enjoy the whole caboodle, everything associated with it, everything connected to it, the whole group, the whole bunch, the whole lot. Let's see, all of the clothes in this cupboard are really old and rather musty and not very nice. I think I'm going to throw away the whole caboodle, the whole lot, yeah, the whole kit and caboodle. Notice, I think most commonly people will just say the whole caboodle without the whole kit and caboodle. I'd be interested for some examples of caboodle without the whole caboodle, yeah. But the whole caboodle, all of it, everything. Okay, so I went to the corner shop and I bought all of the fruit they had. I bought the whole caboodle, everything. Okay, or I like this example. You somebody who loves everything about going to the movies, they love the whole caboodle. Yeah, going to the film, sitting there, the popcorn, the all of the things that are associated with it, the whole caboodle, the whole set. When you buy a house, you just get a house with empty rooms, and then what you really need is the whole caboodle, a house with the whole caboodle, the furniture, the carpets, the beds, yeah, there are all sorts of things. Or the airline lost my luggage. Yeah, they lost my clothes, my toiletries, the whole caboodle, everything. Okay, so the whole caboodle, everything associated with it. Yeah, you might enjoy my channel, the whole caboodle, the videos, the exercises every morning, the live streams, comments, the whole caboodle, the whole set, the whole bunch, everything together. There was a box of chef's knives, and I asked the vendor how much one of the knives was, but he wanted to sell the whole caboodle, the whole box, all of the knives together. He wasn't prepared to just sell me one of them. So I picked up my clothes and my suitcase and my equipment, and I threw the whole caboodle into the back of the car. It's time to replace my computer, but not just my computer, the whole caboodle, the printer, the monitor, everything, the whole caboodle, the whole thing. Okay, yeah, if you go to a restaurant, maybe you want the whole caboodle, the starter, the main course, a nice bottle of wine, some petit fours, or a savoury afterwards, the coffee, the brandy, the whole caboodle, everything included. I went to a spa, and they gave me the whole caboodle, different types of therapy and massage and mud and all sorts of things. I want to buy the whole caboodle. I want to buy all of it at the same time. Okay, yeah, when it's changing from summer to winter, you need to take out your winter clothes, the whole caboodle, the gloves, the hat, the coats, all of the things like that, the whole group. Okay, so caboodle, formality. This is American, it's informal. 3.5, 4 in formality. I think in the phrase the whole caboodle, the whole kit and caboodle. Use it informally, definitely. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, just about. I'm not sure I'd use it in a semi-formal writing. And then as to origin, okay, kit. So the whole caboodle, kit and boodle, the whole caboodle. So kit, equipment, and apparently this word boodle comes from Dutch, a bodel, something meaning goods, chattels, things that you own. Yeah, so all of the things you own. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope you enjoyed the whole caboodle. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. The whole caboodle. The whole kitten caboodle.